Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 9. Question number 9 is Mita saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? What is her salary? Let Mita's salary let Mita's salary Mita's salary Mita's salary be X. Therefore, according to the question, 10% of X, according to the question, 10% of X is equal to rupees 4,000. 10% means 10 by 100. Of means multiply into X is equal to 4,000. Or 10x is equal to 4,000 into 100. Or x can be written as 4,000 into 100 by 10. Then this 0 will be cut and that comes to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 40,000. Right? That is 40,000. Therefore, we can say that Mita's salary is rupees 40,000. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.